2021 Shelby GT500. Damn, that downshift is rough.
Yeah, I feel that. You know, I gotta show off.
Last time I took a Shelby out, somebody was driving by me and you see their fucking camera hanging out the window.
Really?
Yeah.
Nice. Exhaust though.
This thing steers like it's on tracks.
Oh, I bet.
I think they're like 215s or 220s in the front.
That's it?
Or 3.
Oh, 315s. Yeah, probably 315s.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was like quarter throttle.
Doesn't take much.
Now you get it in the right RPM and then you can feel how the car is gonna react.
Right. Need some DRs on this bad boy.
To what?
Jag radials.
It's got the new Pilot Sport 4s.
Yeah.
I didn't even know those tires were out.
Oh shit.
I always take the long track in these.
Yeah, I would too.
Calm down. These paddles are so reactive, like watch this.
It's way different than the 6R80. Mail shifters on that. Way different.
Yeah, it's amazing what happens when you got dual clutch.
Well, I'd say it's that full second when you hit them on my old 5.0
yeah.
when you used to hit them. Those mine weren't even paddles, mine were on the shifter itself. When they first came out of select shift. You'd hit it, it'd be like it'd be like a second after you hit it, the thing goes on. This is a shitty road to take this car down.
I always drag these all over.
What are they gonna do?
My wife, I told my wife I wanted to get a newer muscle car, and she's like, "What do you want?" I was like, sent her a picture of that last 350 I was working
Oh, yeah.
on. She's like, "When you get your bike paid off?"
Yeah. Oh shit. Nice.
She said 2 things: buy a house and then pay off your bike. I was like, "Well, that's about to happen."
There you go. A couple years.
I'm about to buy a house this year,
Nice.
probably in a couple of months. I hear that super.
Yeah, I was just gonna say I heard it lining up a little bit. You can't really do much with a car like this around here, though. I mean, you're gonna push the gas and you're gonna be speeding, and like by the time you even
I'm already speeding.
yeah, there's really nowhere to go with it.
God, fucking ribs. It's a unit right here, man.
Yeah. It's that instant power too from the supercharger.
Yeah, and then I feel the tires braking. I'm like, that's not good.
You If you roll into it, can you get it to go without?
That's what I was doing.
Oh, that was rolling into it?
Yeah.
Well, I could imagine you stomping on it.
No.
You'll be doing donuts at 40 miles an hour.
I'd be afraid to get it in that right RPM, man, and be like, ah!
Yeah.
Be a nice fat set of tires going down the road. This is actually cheaper than 350R.
No way, really?
Yeah, hang on, what's your uncle? I took it off. This one sold for 76.
Oh, it's cheaper than well. Yeah, because they're marking them up so much.
The sticker was 76, but the 350R was definitely more than that.
Well, for what you get for it, it's not a bad price at all.
No. Honestly, after driving this,
Yeah.
I'd probably go for one of these opposed to the 350.
Yeah.
Because, let's be real, do you always want to be in a manual car?
No, not me driving to work an hour every day. It's definitely not. I mean, if it's something like this, that's a little different than like.
That's what I'm saying. These paddles are so reactive.
Yeah, it's different than a 6R80 trans like in my 5.0. That thing was a slush box off the line. You know what I mean? Like, it just was not fun driving around.
I wouldn't
Decent
take this on the highway.
Yeah. You'd still be spinning the tires.